Good morning students. Your next chapter, chapter 5th, morphology of flowering plants. Morphology means external characters. ਜਿਹੜੇ flowering plants ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ in this lesson you will read about the external characters like root, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. So we start from the roots. In dicotyledon plants, first of all tell me what are dicotyledon plants that have two cotyledons. Di means in the two, like gram, pea. ठीक है. The root rise from the radicle. You know, radicle leads to the formation of the primary root. This is the radicle. From here, which root rise? That is called the primary root, which grows inside the soil. चली जाती है. The other lateral root that rise from this. The whole roots ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਸ primary roots ਤੋਂ rise ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, these are called the secondary roots. This one is called the primary roots and this one is called the secondary roots. I am here showing you main root is called primary and other branches is called the secondary roots. Primary roots and its branches form the taproot system. Primary roots and its branches form the taproot system. For example, taproot system occur in mustard. Now monocotyledon that have only one cotyledon like wheat. Their primary root, this one is short-lived and is placed by a bunches of root. ਇਹਨੂੰ replace ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਆ bunches, ਗੁੱਛੇ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ. This type of root is called the fibrous root. This is in wheat. ਵੀਟ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੂਟ ਪੱਟ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ that is in the form of fibrous, but ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਸਟਰਡ ਦੀ ਪੱਟੋ that is in the form of taproot system. In some plants like monstera and banyan tree, roots have some arise from other parts than the radicle. Okay, radicle ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਹੋਰ parts ਤੋਂ ਵੀ root rise ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Like in banyan tree ਦੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ stem ਤੋਂ ਵੀ rise ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, nodes ਤੋਂ ਵੀ. Even in you can take the example of sugar cane ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ sugar cane ਦੀ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ stem ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ nodes ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇੱਥੇ nodes ਤੋਂ ਵੀ same occur in maize, ਮੱਕੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ nodes ਤੋਂ rise ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. These are called adventitious roots. What is the function of? Main function of the root is absorption of water ਨੂੰ absorb ਕਰਨਾ, minerals from the soil, support ਦੇਣੀ, anchoring, support and storage of food material ਨੂੰ storage ਕਰਨਾ, even in the manufacturing or synthesis of plant growth regulators mean plant hormones release करना. So next we are doing reasons of roots. Roots apex ਹੁੰਦਾ and tip वाला part. Apex is covered by a thimble like structure that is called, this is the apex. Apex is covered by root cap. And what is the function of root cap? It protect the internal apex of the root. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਹੁਤ soft ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ protect ਕਰਦਾ, because it makes it is where root cap ਹੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਰਸਤਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆ. So go deep in the soil. After it there is another reason that is known as the meristematic reason. Meristematic means ਹੁੰਦਾ dividing, means the cells of this region are dividing. They have the dividing capacity or repeat dividedly, again and again divide ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ root ਨੀਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. Above the region of meristematic there is the region of elongation. In elongation the cells undergo rapid elongation and enlargement. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ cell ਲੰਬੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. So this is called a elongation. The cells of the elongation zone gradually differentiate ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ and mature. In this region ਇਹੀ cells ਜਦੋਂ differentiate ਹੋ ਕੇ mature ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਗੇ division ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ, ਤਾਂ next region ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ region of maturation. So first root cap, region of meristematic ਜਿਹੜੇ divide ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ elongation ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ region of elongation, and next ਜਿਹੜੇ mature ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ region of maturation. ਹੁਣ now the epidermal cells of this region of maturation form very fine and delicate thread-like structures. इन्हां चों mature cells चों thread-like structures निकलदियां ने. These are called the root hairs. these root hair absorb water and minerals from the soil। यही root hair ने ਜਿਹੜੇ absorb ਕਰਦੇ ਆ water ਤੇ mineral from the soil।